Đúng rồi.
Hi.
Hi. I still love Ninh Binh so much, even after my second time. Yeah, definitely I'm going to come back for a third time. Just for
All
Ninh Binh.
right, that's great.